This is a matter of setting your priorities right. Because let's say a person is dying from hunger and thirst, so first priority is to save his life, they say. Save his life, getting him to safety. So first priority is your spiritual. We teach the 7 trees concept or 7 pillars. The spiritual tree is your purpose of life, your relationship with Allah. So that tree is the top priority. Even if you don't get married or career, you're still successful. But there are many people who finish their degrees, or on the day of marriage, death comes to many people. Meaning we see in the programs, sometimes the video recording, husband and wife coming together and husband passes away or the wife. People have got PhD degree in their hand, they've not reached home and they passed away, something like this. So these things, that's how you set the priorities right, that what is it that one thing, if I lose, then I lost everything. And what is it that one thing, if I have, then it doesn't matter even if I lose other things. That is your spiritual tree, your relationship with Allah Azza wa Jal and connection, because this is going to surpass everything. Now, when you have this priority right, then actually there is family tree. Family tree meaning your parents, your siblings, you're giving quality time. Maybe not as much as, for example, you like, but giving some time. For career, people always have an age that when they are 15, 16, 18, 20, they are studying, university, work, and that is continuing. And for staying in shape, people exercise, alhamdulillah, this is not an issue. But actually priority would be your spiritual tree, and then your family, and obviously your career. With it, if you can stay fit as well, good and well, but actually that takes actually work. So I think you should have maybe a meeting with one of the mentors and visit those 7 trees. Spiritual tree, family tree, finance tree, health tree, the social relationship tree of self-development, and then finally tree of service, to give output as well. That one should have as well. To have balance in life, you should plant these 7 trees. Anyone is missing, then you won't have balance. But yes, priority-wise, you should have these things there. The spiritual tree, which is Allah, His Messenger, Akhirah, then your family, parents, others, your career. Yes, social relationship come after, staying fit, okay, health, actually other things come after, but necessary things a person can do, and then one can excel in whatever time one have, for example.